about this campfire?
How are you feeling about this campfire? So
What are you doing, Angel?
we are doing our own campfire for the best night ever I never seen.
Hey, I tell you what is the other thing here. This one.
This is our bed. This is our camping on the if you do what if you want if you want to enter you enter. If you don't want you be sleep.
Hey.
That's good before the fire comes.
So who told you to do this campfire?
My cutie.
Your cutie? Ah.
Because it's the best campfire. The best campfire auntie before I never seen.
Hey. Toka best auntie, best campfire auntie. Aha.
You're doing the big fire.
Kuti, what are you doing?
I'm doing campfire with my cutie, and fire is booming.
Yeah. Because did you have any marshmallows?
Oh, we are full.
For position.
Next what?
For position. If
Oh!
you see what he's doing? He's burning the full papers into they look like fire. They look the papers.
Hey, you can make us tour around your room, your campfire room.
Yeah, this is our room. Cutie is not going to sleep ever on her room again.
Hey, where is she going to sleep?
She's going to sleep with me.
Hey, so you're going to start to sleep outside?
Yeah.
Hey, Jesus.
Jesus Christ.
You brought your sleeping slippers.
So we have tried to tour around this place, and we are seeing Cutie and Cutie making their campfire. So this is their homemade tent. Cutie, this is their fire made out of papers and some wood that they have collected from home.
There. Sorry.
So we are sleeping.
Okay.
Good night.
Good night.
Auntie.
Good night.
Well,
You too.
the marshmallows are for tomorrow. Don't forget to come